Hey guys, it's Myara, and today I am back with a new video. I decided that I'm going to try to dye my eyebrows. I'm really scared because, for one, I just saw Jenna Marbles do it, and I think this is what inspired me to do it, oddly enough, even though her eyebrows didn't. Anyway, second of all, I've seen like a couple other YouTubers and gurus do it, and sometimes it turned out okay, sometimes it turned out terrible. But where I messed up was I went to the store and I got black dye. I have black hair and I fill my eyebrows in with a black eyeshadow every morning. So I was like, oh, let me just get the black. But then I was watching some of the videos after and it turned out really dark, and I don't want Sharpie brows. But you know what? We're just gonna go for it anyway, and we're gonna do our best. Okay, in the Just for Men for mustache and beard, I got M55 times Real Black, and in the box it came with the color base, the color developer, the brush, and the directions, like who needs those. I actually did read the instructions, so I'm not really trying to ruin my eyebrows. I don't have anywhere to go for like the next 3 days. So if I do end up with these Sharpie brows, I will be able to hide for 3 days at least. I have this angled e.l.f. brush. I'm going to use this because it'll be a little bit more precise than that huge brush in the box. I use this Clinique concealer to clean up my brows in the morning anyway, so I'm just going to use that to outline them before I fill them in, so that way they don't go crazy. Right now, I really like the way my brows are shaped, but that's because they're like filled in. I stopped getting my brows done like years ago. I don't like pluck them or tweeze them or anything anymore, because like one time I got them like threaded and they were so thin after that, so I just don't do any of that anymore. And then one more thing I'm gonna have is a cotton pad and some water. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do, wipe off whatever I have on right now. So here are my brows with nothing on them. I think my biggest fear is them not ending up even. Like, what if I have one that's like that? Like, what if they look like that? I'm gonna go mix the dye, and then I'll be right back to put it on, and then we will wait 5 minutes. I'm not gonna do more than 5 minutes because I got black. Here we go. I thought the consistency was gonna be a little easier to put on. It feels kind of weird. Someone's having a party in my neighborhood. They didn't invite me. That's okay. So that doesn't look bad, you guys. I don't know if it's darkening up yet or if like I put enough. Oh no, not this one, ew, but it's ready. I'm actually going to use a cotton pad and some water first, and then I'll wipe it with a towel after to make sure I get everything off. Let's go. Oh my god, you guys. It just looks muggy. Maybe I didn't leave it on long enough, like, or does it look good? I can't tell. I don't know. Just let's move to the next one. I don't know. So I just wiped them off and I'm looking on Myara and I'm looking on my Snap camera, and honestly they look good, you guys. Like, at first I was really skeptical. You saw me when I took this one off and I was like, no, because the black smeared and it looked like really out of order, but it looks really good. And this is honestly how my brows look when I fill them in anyway. I mean, they're not perfect and that might be something that I have to practice with, but honestly guys, they look pretty good. Like, they look like I filled them in and nothing else is coming off like on my finger. Here's what my brows look like before and here's what they look like now. Let me know if you guys are gonna try this or not. Honestly, it's not as scary as I initially thought it was. I thought that I was gonna have like tattooed brows and it was gonna be permanent for like maybe the rest of my life. But you know, I tend to overthink things in my head. Let me know if you guys are gonna try this. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. And go ahead and request some other things maybe you want me to try, because now I'm feeling a little confident and feeling a little fierce. So I'm not scared. Bring on the beauty hacks. But anyway, that'll be it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.